everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Suzette, and for those of you returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated room tour. If you're an OG, you've seen that I've done a room tour like last year, I want to say, sometime in 2018. My room, I thought I liked it, I loved it, but I changed it again. Today I am bringing you my updated 2019 room tour, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. This is the first thing that you see right when you walk into my door. I have this long rectangular wall that I put two photos that I actually took myself. I forgot where I got these frames, but I do want to say I got them from Big Lots. And then right over here I have this sign that my cousin and I made years ago, but I love it because it represents home to me, and it kind of just goes with like the photos that I took on here. And then I have a dream catcher from Tilly's in that baby pink color. Now directly right next to it, I have this really nice shelf. I'm not too sure where it's from, but literally if it weren't for this shelf, I would have no idea where to put all this stuff on it. So we'll just start at the very top. I have my cross right there that my grandparents gave to me. That's actually imported from Mexico, and it's super special because they gave it to me when I came out of the hospital, and it was something that I'll always remember. And at the top here, I have my Wake Pray Slay sign, one of these little light signs, which is super cute. I love it. And then I have my graduation cap and my tassel. I have my stole right here that I wore for graduation, and again like something from homecoming core, and then my senior sash from cheer. It's like a bunch of stuff for memories, all just like right here. Then I have my Gucci bag up there, not like an actual bag, but like it was like my first designer purchase, so I have that, just the bag up there for decoration. And then right here in the first shelf I have this adorable little photo holder my sister got for me. I have a few books and journals and this really cute outfit of the day planner right there. And then I use that little light up S as a bookshelf, as like a little book holder for it. It's really cute and it lights up. And that's from Hobby Lobby. I have my vitamins I take every day. And then I have this really interesting little ceramic dish that I actually made in ceramics my senior year. I use it for all my chapsticks. As you can see, I am obsessed with chapsticks. I have way too many, but I collect them, so that's right there. And then moving on, I have this this bouquet from my cousin's wedding like a couple months ago, and I was a bridesmaid. And then here I have my senior corsage from prom, and then a photo of my boyfriend, and this really cute frame is from Marshall's. I love the gold framing. Moving on into the second shelf right here, I have a bunch of glasses, and I have the letter M for my middle name, again Hobby Lobby, another photo of my boyfriend, and then right here is a little mason jar with actually two bouquets inside. This one right here is from my cousin's wedding, when the first time I was ever a bridesmaid, like I want to say 2.5 years ago. And then way over here is my quinceañera one. So I save everything. I'm weird like that, but I love the look of dead flowers, as you can see. And then down here I have the letter F. Those letters spell out, you know, my whole name. And then right here I have this adorable little tin that my godmother made for me, and she gifted this to me at my high school graduation party. And it's just my college name on it, and then it's so cute because she made this. And then inside I have a bunch of rocks, and I love collecting rocks and shells from the beach, so I actually just put all of them in there just like that. I have my two Polaroid cameras, they're just kind of chilling here. And then I have my pink Himalayan salt lamp. This is from actually Five and Below, so super affordable. Most of the room decor in my room are super affordable. And then a little bit to the side I have Leaves candle from Bath & Body Works, a lavender one from Bath & Body Works, and this sign back here that says Boss Babes Only, and this is from the dollar store. And finally, bringing it all the way to the bottom, I have the last section of the shelves. Here on the side I have some yearbooks, some of my favorite magazines, my high school diploma, Every year my family and I attend the Latin Grammys in Vegas, which you'll see a vlog because I just came home from that. And every year at the end of the show they give some of the books, and it has all the artists who won, nominees, just a bunch of stuff, and they're super cool. So they're really good coffee table books, so one day in my future home I'm gonna put those there. That's why I'm saving them. And then along the side I have my homecoming flower crown from senior year, and then another flower crown I actually was gifted at my cheer banquet senior year. And then right next to it I have this little cute baby pink tin, which is from Target. And inside I kept more magazines. I have a bunch of Teen Vogue, and then my old phone with my wildflower case on it, my GoPro, and then this adorable little mason jar here. I'm gonna take it out to show you guys. I have these, oh, don't mind my dog barking outside. But I have these super cool, intricate looking colored pencils. These are from Marshalls. I have used them. They are too cool to like actually use all the way. I feel like they're so awesome. These are also from Marshalls, and I'm sure you can find them at like any craft store. Then this is just literally a stick that I painted blue. So along in here I have some chalkboard pens because you'll see in a little bit I do have a chalkboard wall in my room. Right beside it is this really gorgeous makeup organizer that I have. I purchased it from Marshalls, and it has 3 little compartments. It is my closet. I just have a white closet. I don't have the mirrored doors, so that's why right here I have my little mirror. I recently just purchased this mirror and I'm obsessed with it. It is from TJ Maxx. It is nice and long, nice and big, and just what I wanted. It goes all the way to the floor, and right above it I have this super cute hanging plant, and that plant holder is actually from Ross. And that plant I actually just kind of shoved the bottom and made it my own hanging plant, where I just made it look, you know, more longer. And that is just a random plant that we had hanging around the house. I just decided to put in there. And moving aside from it, this super cute little frame is from Target, and this is actually a picture. You can kind of see right here. It already came with a photo inside. I didn't know that it wasn't one where you can like put your own photo in, you know, they'll have like a display photo. That's what I thought. Unfortunately, you can't take it out. But they're from Target, and I just fell in love with this wooden frame. And I was like, you know what, I'm still gonna buy it because I just taped my Polaroids on top. So I have some Polaroids there, some I actually need to take down. They're like some girls who like I don't even talk to anymore from high school, so like that's hella awkward. But moving on from there, I love it. It's super cute. I have my really beautiful white curtains. I love the layering fluttery effect. Those are from Target. Right here I have my desk, and I'm obsessed with this. This is something that I feel like totally brings the room together. It is this gorgeous wooden desk with gold detailing right there. It is from Ross, believe it or not. It was some really beautiful collection that I don't even think belonged there, but Ross just happened to be selling it. It was a more expensive piece, I'm not gonna lie, but I definitely wanted a specific desk, and everything I had in my mind, it was literally just this, and I had to buy it. But it only has 2 drawers, which is perfect for space and organization. As you can see, I don't really have a lot of storage options in my room, so any storage I will take advantage of. But right here at the top of my desk, I have one of my favorite candles right now. It is the Vanilla Pumpkin from Trader Joe's. Super fall, love the vibes. And then along it, I have my J Balvin Funko Pop that my coworker actually gifted to me. It's so cute. I cannot, like, his little reggaeton shirt, if you can see, super cute. Oh my god, my dog doesn't stop barking. It's barking. Wow. I have all of these Polaroids that my sister and I just took, and I need to hang them up on my wall, but that's right there. And then along the side, I have my movement blue light glasses. These are essential when I'm on my computer, and they're just right here. I have my laptop, and then I have this little adorable plush that Sergio actually won at like one of those, what are they, like arcades. But my dog actually is obsessed with her and always wants to chew her up. So instead of being on my bed, she sits on my desk. Right here is just my calendar. I have everything planned out. School, when I'm supposed to go to the gym, when I film and upload videos, my work schedule, and then I have just my Beats chilling right there. My super amazing little stool is from Target, and I've had this for a while now. And then right here on the floor, I have my school backpack, which is really disgustingly dirty. I need to clean it. But then right back here, I have my little laptop case, and this is from Nordstrom Rack. And then obviously just my computer chargers right there. One of my favorite things in my room, which is my fake plant. This is actually something we already had in my house that I just moved into my room. So I'm not too sure where it's from, but just chilling right there. I have a photo of Sergio from football season of our senior year again. And then above I have a matching photo just, you know, along the side. So right here we have the first little nightstand, and it is actually a super cute like bronze color table. You can honestly use this for anything. And then above I have this really gorgeous little candle holder, and it is from Ross, and this is from Target. I have my gorgeous tapestry. It is from Urban Outfitters, and I love it. I love the yellow. It matches everything in my room, and that black square that you see behind is actually, let me show you guys really quick. It is actually a chalkboard wall. A gorgeous little heart up there hanging is from Ross again. And then right as you come from this view of my room, you have this awesome wooden store. Oh, keep my holiday slippers. Ignore that. But I have this awesome wooden storage. It has so much room, guys. I don't even want to go in detail what's all in there. The side, the same little Target nightstand with the matching candle holder. And then right here we have a little window, and then we have my final drawers. I have this lamp, which again was another hand-me-down, and I really want to get a gold lamp just to again go with the same accent color. But I love how big it is. And then right here I have my little diffuser, which I believe I got at Marshall's, I want to say. It's marble, and it's just so cute and perfect size. Right here I have my perfumes. I have a bunch of little samples, and I have my favorite one, my When Summer Melon Mint, and this one is the little Amazing Grace Ballet Rose by Philosophy. My little barrettes pins in the back, another photo of my boyfriend and I, and this really cool little glass jar. Kind of looks like something you'd keep milk in or something. I added these white little LED twig lights in there for decor, and then I got this little Gucci ribbon as like a perfume sample thing situation going on, and I just tied it there. And then I have a Brandy Melville sign back there. It says Brandy Girl, and I just kind of kept it there because that pink goes with my room. Right here I have this gorgeous jewelry holder from my quinceañera, actually. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. Then I have this gorgeous right here glass of Virgin Mary. I love it. I have little room spray and lavender chamomile from Bath & Body Works. A Pandora bag, a little Gucci box. This, oh my god, guys, this candle is so good. Oh, it smells amazing. It is from Marshall's, and it says Girls Rule because duh, we do. And then I have a bunch of jewelry right here. Necklaces, earrings, and right here I have my two favorite rings in there. I have this little glass container with some crystals, a photo of my family and I from my quinceañera, and then this little mason jar with some seashells because I wasn't lying when I say that I collect them. Then this little stand, actually I think it's for desserts, but I have right here some earrings, some rings, my work little name tag, a candle, and then my junior prom corsage back there, And this little beautiful crown, it was a gift. I have this really cool rose gold prism that I have all of my jewelry. It is so chaotic, but I have my Alexanani bracelets, some other really fancy necklaces, my quinceañera crown, homecoming court crown, my varsity letterman patch, and then this little mirror that I use to do my makeup. And of course, I cannot forget to show you guys this mirror. I think this is my favorite purchase of all time. And this gold mirror is from Target. I love it so much. It made such a difference, opened up the space. And right above, I have a bunch of photos. They're a bunch of women who mean so much to me. I have my family, I have some friends, my sister, and just literally like, I love the colorful vibes that I have. I have this adorable photo of my niece and my sister and I love her so much. And then I have to show you guys this photo right here because it's just like the cutest photo ever. So yeah, I love the colorful looks and I love how you can see it in like all of my mirror photos that I take. The final door that leads to my bathroom, actually, really convenient rose gold hook, and I have a bunch of stuff. My robe, my bags, my hats, my belts, literally everything there. Then I have my favorite hats hung up. I'm actually missing one. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know where it went. But I literally use tacks just to hang them up there and to make sure that they don't get ruined, especially by big ones like that. And right here I have this mirror with these little random lights, and I actually do my makeup right here. I sit like on the floor right there, and I have all my everyday makeup right here. So these little organizers are all from Marshall's, and I put like my everyday makeup in there. My sponge is wrapped up in a napkin, but hey, this is the reality. I have a random lash hanging there. Here I have a bunch of memorable stuff. This Aquarides tour bag when I bought some J Balvin merch. I have medals, every single pin, every single wristband from a concert, Latin Grammy stuff. Literally everything is just right here on my door. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know what was your favorite part that I showed all throughout my room. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.